In an earlier video, I went over the 3 types of installment agreement, but in this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about a streamlined installment agreement. A streamlined installment agreement is used when a taxpayer owes $50,000 or less and actually can full pay that obligation within 72 months. The IRS then breaks that up into equal monthly payments, and it's usually fairly simple to do. This is usually done without actually providing any collection financial statement type information. So it means you don't have to do a 433-F, you don't have to do a 433-A and B. You simply offer the IRS to full pay the obligation within the 72 months, your obligation of $50,000 or less. Now there's an exciting development called the Fresh Start Initiative, and these new streamlined amounts are part of that Fresh Start Initiative. But the thing that I think is really the most interesting is there's actually a provision for the withdrawal of a federal tax lien if you get into a streamlined installment agreement and you make your first 3 payments by direct debit. What's direct debit? Well, direct debit is a program by which the IRS automatically withdraws that installment agreement payment from your bank account. Now, typically in the past, I've not been a big fan of the direct debit program, and the reason is it didn't work. The IRS would never take out the money, and then it would default the installment agreement, and then it was back on the taxpayer's side to go ahead and reinstate the installment agreement. It just didn't work that well at all. It seems like they got a lot of these kinks worked out, and so I think that this could be a real good opportunity for people who have tax liens filed against them to get them withdrawn. So again, streamlined installment agreement, under $50,000, payable within 72 months. If you go with the direct debit option and you make your first 3 payments in a row with no problems, then the IRS is supposed to automatically withdraw the notice of federal tax lien filed against you. This could be helpful because it could make it easier to sell your house or buy a house or improve your credit rating. Because when you get a notice of federal tax lien filed against you, typically it hits you about 50 points or more on your credit report. If you have questions about this or really anything pertaining to IRS problem resolution, I invite you to visit our website at getirshelp.com.